Hello again and welcome to another video in the How My Computer Works series. My name is Matt Bauer for My Computer Works, and this week's video is about LinkedIn.com, which is a business social networking site. It's easy to join and it's free, and here's how. Just go to LinkedIn.com. If you want to learn all about LinkedIn before you join, you can go to learn.linkedin.com, or from the LinkedIn.com homepage, go down to the bottom and click Learning Center. Here you can find out anything you need to know about LinkedIn. When you're ready to sign up, just go back to the main page, linkedin.com. The new registration section is right on the front page. Just enter your first name, last name, email address, and choose a password. Click Join Now. Now, as soon as you join, you'll need to confirm your email address. So go ahead and log into your email, and you should have an email from LinkedIn in your inbox. If not, it may be in your spam folder, or it may not have arrived yet. When you do receive it, just click this link here to confirm your email address. It may take a few minutes for the confirmation to update on the website. When you're back at the site, you can start the process of acquiring connections by clicking on Add Connections. This is the most common way to add connections, by searching your email address book. This section is primarily for web-based emails, such as Gmail or Yahoo Mail. You can also import your address books from Microsoft Outlook by clicking here. And of course, you can add or invite connections by entering the person's email address here. You can find past colleagues by clicking on the Colleagues tab, then reconnect with past colleagues. Then just enter your past job title, company, and which years you were at the job. Then click Find Old Colleagues. You can also search for past classmates by clicking here on the Classmates tab. There are a number of things you can do on LinkedIn.com. So build your profile, add some connections, and you'll be off to a great start. My name is Matt Bauer for My Computer Works. Thanks for watching this week's video, and we'll see you next time.